Konnichiwa! It is my first official day here in Japan. Yesterday was a long day. I flew from SFO to Narita Airport, and then it was another hour bus ride from Narita to where I'm staying. And it was only 26 bucks. And at the time I checked, the Uber was like $240 US. So cost and compare. After that, I had a nail appointment. We got my nails done, and I just got some pizza, and that was day one. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to Kyoto. So I booked a cooking class at the temples, the museums. I'm excited.
Getting around Japan is surprisingly seamless. I booked my bullet train to Kyoto through KUOE, a travel app that lets you reserve trains, attractions, and even experiences ahead of time. I chose the Mount Fuji side of the train, which is one of the few chances I got to see it clearly. For the day-to-day travel, I used a transit card on my phone, and it worked for trains and even buses. I found Google Maps to be incredibly accurate here. It guides you through every transfer. There's a quiet rhythm to how things work here, and once you find it, everything settles.
How do you say good in Japanese?
Oishi.
Oshi.
Oishi. How to make for the onigiri. The salmons, plums, and cover for the rice. This is the seaweed, and shiny side and the outside. Touch for the fingers, no sticky.
Konnichiwa, it is day 3 for me here in Japan, and today I'm super excited. I just had breakfast, but now I'm gonna go to a temple more up north. It's about an hour or so away from there, and then after that get some coffee and explore some of the neighborhoods. So let's go.
Kyoto was Japan's imperial capital for centuries, and you can feel that history everywhere. Many of the sites were carefully preserved, which is why the past still feels so present here. Some of the best meals aren't marked at all. The ramen spot I found didn't even have a sign, just a small doorway and a few seats inside. Throughout the day, everything felt so hands-on. From making a ring to customizing a watch, craftsmanship here isn't rushed. You're invited into the process. Matcha has been part of daily life here for generations, shaped by tradition and care. Knowing a few basic phrases made everyday moments feel easier, and traveling alone here felt very safe.
Ohio! It is day 4 for me here in Japan, and I just finished having breakfast, which was super yummy. And now I'm gonna head west to where I'm staying now. And I learned my lesson yesterday. I have cash on me, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna do that. I'm debating if I want ramen again or tempura. So let's go.
Arashiyama felt quieter than the rest of Kyoto. The day began away from the main paths, where time felt slower and more intentional. Walking through the preserved streets felt like stepping into another era. The architecture, the silence, the gentle curves of the road, it all encourages you to move without rushing. Nature plays a bigger role here. Gardens, moss, bamboo, and stone aren't just scenery, they're part of how the space is meant to be experienced. I learned quickly that booking a few things in advance helps save time and leaves more room to explore without rushing.
Konnichiwa, it is day 5 for me here in Japan, and it's my last full day here in Kyoto. I just finished breakfast, and now I'm going to visit a shrine south of me, and then after I'm going to visit the new Teams Lab museum that opened up, I think earlier this month, and matcha.
The day felt like a mix of tradition and modern experiences. The Fushimi Inari is one of Japan's highest ranking shrine. It's known for its thousands of gates donated over time by individuals and businesses. As you walk further along the path, the crowds thin out and it becomes noticeably quieter. Later, I visited the Teamland Museum where the art responds to your movement and surrounds you completely. In between, I slowed down with tea and coffee. Those small pauses help me keep the day balanced.
Konnichiwa! It is day 6 for me here in Japan, and today I'm flying to South Korea. I just finished checking out with the front desk and they've been super sweet and gave me a cute gift, but I already packed that. I just finished breakfast, and one thing I love, after they give you the main dish, they have given me like matcha ice cream, green tea ice cream. I'm like, for breakfast? I love this. I'm in a rush. My flight is in another 4 hours, but it's gonna take me maybe an hour, 45 minutes to get to the airport. So we need to go. Okay.
After coming back from South Korea, I spent a few quiet days in Tokyo. I started off with some ramen at a spot which is known for its rich miso broth and its spice. The next morning began slowly, breakfast, then some coffee, and an easy way to reset the day. By the afternoon, I stopped at Seoul Food House, which was another reminder of how much variety there is in the city. Then I got to see the city from above. And just like that, it was time to go.